Introducing the 2024 Volkswagen Taigo Life 1.0 TSI with 95 horsepower in a sleek and sophisticated grey exterior. This estate Jeep is packed with features to enhance your driving experience, including air conditioning, Bluetooth phone connectivity, and multiple airbags for added safety. With a spacious interior, luxury trim, and advanced security systems like lane departure warning and anti-collision braking, this vehicle is designed to keep you comfortable and secure on the road. Plus, with roof rails, ABS, and LED lights, you can confidently tackle any journey. Rest assured knowing that this Taigo has undergone a full, multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this top-of-the-line vehicle. Call us or visit our website michaelmoore.ie for more information today.